Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and enter the first code and the shortest one. It is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we've got this pop-out window which contains information about the device, basically both email numbers and the serial number. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##*#. And here we've got the calendar info, so here you can check the events because they are gathered in one place. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check the events because, as I said, here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic mode. It is *##426####. And here we've got the diagnostics. Let me kind of refresh that. We can check the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on also on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And here we've got more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the tablet information, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Just tap on the section. We can check the API configuration and the status. After entering, we can refresh the stats and check things like network state, SSID or network ID. We can run ping test here. Let's go back. We can check usage statistics, so basically here we've got the list of all apps and kind of processes which are currently on this device. You can check, you can sort them by usage time, last time used, or app name. And the tablet information, so the info just like the email number and data service, voice service, etc. You will be able to check those details if you will have your SIM card inserted. You can run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can also view fixed dialing numbers and enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.